Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Kritika and welcome to my YouTube channel, and thank you very much who is watching this video. I've been gone for a very long time and now I'm back, and also I have made a promise to myself that I'm going to upload videos as often I can so that I'll be consistent with it because I love doing it. So without further ado, I think I should start today's tutorial. I am thinking to try some colorful eye makeup look today. So yeah, let's get going. To start off, I'm going to use this ordinary serum, hyaluronic acid serum, and with that I'm going to use a L'Oreal Revital Lift cream. I really like this cream a lot. I've been using ordinary products for a long time, but I have recently started using this L'Oreal cream and I really felt the firmness back into my skin. Now I have already done my eyebrows and I'm going to go ahead with the concealer and I'm going to place it on my eyelids so that we can start building up the colors. Also, I'm going to put some powder on eyelids as well to make sure it will stay. So for the palette, I'm going to use two palettes. One is from XOXO and other one is from Revolution. So I'm going to take this light pale color first and I'm going to place it on my eyelids and work it around until I'm happy with the color. Now I'm going to take the second color from the same palette. I'm going to take this light orangey shade color and I'm going to work it in between the crease of my eyelid. Guys, what are your plans for Navratri and Diwali? Please let me know in the comment section. But yeah, I know with COVID and everything, it's not going to be the same as it was previously, but hopefully Bhagwan ji sab jaldi se theek karenge and everyone can get back to their normal life. Now here I'm still blending the same light orangey shade in the crease line, and I am also going to drag it to the lower lash line. And once I'm happy with the color outcome, I'm going to move further to the another palette, which is the Revolution palette, and I'm going to use this dark purplish shade and I'm going to build this in the outer corner of the eyelids. This Revolution palette really has very nice colors, but I was not able to pick it up on my brush, so I sprayed some mist on it, so then it worked quite well. I'm going to leave the detailed description about the product that I'm using in the description box so that you can check it out if you like. After blending that dark purple shade, I'm going to place this light purple shade and again I'm going to smudge it to the lower lash line. I think it's going to look more like a monochromatic look today, but let's see how it turns out. It was looking very matte, so I decided to put a little bit of glitter on it. I took a glittery shade from the XOXO palette. Now to complete the look, eyelashes are mandatory, so I put them on off camera and also a little bit of kajal. For the foundation, I'm going to use L'Oreal Infallible Foundation. I have heard a lot of good things about this product, so this is my first time using this foundation. And the shade was Radiant Beige. To be honest, I was very skeptical using this color because I didn't get the time to swatch that out. But once I blend that, turns out this was the right shade for me. So I was pretty happy with the blending as well as the color. It was a matte foundation though, but still I put a tiny bit of powder just to set it, just to make sure it won't budge. Now let's quickly conceal the skin. I'm going to use the same concealer I used before from Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, and for the bronzer it's again from Maybelline. I love Maybelline. They really have pretty good products. And for the blush, I have selected coral shade from Faces. It was a beautiful corally shade, but I didn't go very heavy handed. I just used a little bit of it just to complement the eye look. I haven't used any primer today. I just used a makeup mist after my moisturizing. There are no certain rules I follow generally. I just opt for the products that I can use at that particular time. I think no makeup will be completed without a good highlighter. I love this highlighter. It was recommended to me, and since then there is no going back. And I'm going to apply that again very subtly on my cheekbones. For the lipstick, I have selected a shade from Essence. It's a very nice nudie pink color. And to finish off this look, I have sprayed some natural finish mist from Wet n Wild, and now you're all done. So yes, here comes the end to this tutorial. I hope you like this little purpley, little sparkly eye look. Since I told you guys, I just started again, and I hope to come back again with some new content and new ideas. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. So take care. See you soon.